Usap mga katingting sa sining video mahimo ta kurungan sang Chicken Joy ni Diwata. Kaya ang kilala ko crave sang Chicken Joy. Para hindi ka mo maboring guys, kailawig pa ni pa-music tanay guys Music.
Yeah. My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gonna launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna get it, yeah.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Said I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Profit, spitting hot shit. I'm dropping, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it. Back, matter of fact, making racks where it's at. Have my back to the mat, not an act, that's a fact. We attack in a pack, no react, no react. Think I'm black, drop his act. While I rap, not the snap, going down, give a crap. We're advanced, I'm the man. Got a plan better than most brands. Goddamn, I'm a rhyme till I die. Never lie, that's a lie. I don't try, I defy. Get the nod, let 'em fight, yeah.
Wow guys, sa kadugayon manugtapos na manggid. Do ko nahami sini guys. O dyan ay ka lang guys. Kay kuwaon ko si Tingting sa kwarto guys. Kaya to sa gatulog guys. Testingan ko kung angayan man di sa guys. Nanara na sa guys. Nan. Abaw. Doon na mian saw. Doon nalingaw saw. O doon hindi na tani ka. Doon hindi na ni mabutangan si Chicken Joy yaw. Pero joke lang kay hindi imoting yan na ka Chicken Joy imuan talang kasunod tapuson tanyanay guys stay pot lang kamunta guys kaya stay pot mo ko di ara guys mo na nga time guys tinadali-dali ko na lang na kay maduty po ko nga daan kay alas 11 na nada huway po ko kapumahaw huway po mo ko panyaga nara guys na nung nadasig-dasig nadasig-dasig ko na guys nan ang buyon ko na nagkupos no sa mga ano guys pasensya na kamo guys kay ano na binamon likod balay laundry area na namon char eme nara guys na mulog tapos na guys nara na guys nang butangan na scrap nan akwaturan na guys ibutang ko sa may pader guys kay para nga mabutangan na sang Chicken Joy nara na guys nan nan ayo di po si tingara sa sulod buhat pa sa iya supaw hindi kita ni kasagod gali si Chicken Joy ni nanamian si Tingting ya sulod na guys.